How to using the Gmail app on Android, iPhone, or iPad. Do you want to make a new free Google email account? Whether you want to set up a new Gmail account for yourself, your child, or a friend, this can be done in just a few minutes. Creating a Gmail account is the same as creating a Google account, so you'll get access to other features such as Sheets, Docs, and the ability to sync your web browsing sessions on Chrome. This video will show you how to create a new Gmail account using your Android, iPhone, or iPad. Things you should know. You can create a Gmail account for yourself, your child, or a friend. On desktop, go to Gmail. Click Create an account. Enter your name, a Gmail address, password, and account recovery options. On a phone or tablet, open the Gmail app. Tap Sign in Google Continue Create an account. This video will show you how to create a new Gmail account using your Android mobile. Step 1. Download the Gmail app on your Android, iPhone, or iPad. Gmail is available for iOS in the App Store and for Android in the Google Play Store. Once you've installed the app, you can easily create a Gmail account. On iPhone or iPad, open the App Store. Tap Search and enter Gmail. Tap Get. On Android, open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen and enter Gmail. Tap Install, then Accept. Step 2. Open the Gmail app. This looks like a multicolored M with a white background. You cannot create an account for a child using this method, but you can using the Use the Desktop method. Step 3. Add an email address besides the plus sign. It's at the bottom of the screen. If an account is already signed into the Gmail app, tap the profile picture in the top right corner. Tap Add another account. Step 4. Tap Google. This will be at the very top, underneath Setup Email. Step 5. Tap Create Account. This will be at the left side of the screen, underneath the email or phone field. Step 6. Tap For Myself. This will be in the drop-down menu. Step 7. Enter your first and last name and click Next. Use the first field to enter your first name. You can enter a last name, but this is optional. Step 8. Enter your gender, birthday and then tap Next. Tap the gender drop-down box, then select one of the gender options in the resulting drop-down menu. To enter your birthday, tap the month drop-down box to select the month, and then type the day and year into the day and year text boxes, respectively. Step 9. Create your Gmail address and tap Next. Google will list some available options for you to choose. Tap an option or tap Create your own Gmail address to enter your own. When creating a username, you can use letters, numbers, and periods. This is the name which appears before the @gmail.com section of the address. This email address must be unique or you won't be able to continue. Step 10. Create a password and tap Next. Enter a password into the password field. Try to use a strong password with unique symbols. Tap the box Next to show password to toggle password visibility. Step 11. Add a phone number, optional, and tap Next. You can use this phone number to recover your password in case you get locked out. Enter a phone number in the field, then tap Yes, I'm in. You'll be sent a unique code that must be entered in the next page to verify your number. Tap Skip to opt out. Step 12. Review and agree to the terms. You must agree to Google's privacy and terms to create an account, so scroll down and click I agree. You can then personalize your Google experience by clicking more options. You can customize your web and app activity, add personalization, and YouTube history. If you aren't automatically logged into your new Gmail account, tap Sign in on the bottom to do so. You'll now be able to use Gmail on your mobile device. You can add contacts and create folders. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.